Did you know your body starts losing collagen after 60? And most seniors don't even realize it's the reason behind the tingling hands, aching knees, and weak legs they feel. By the time you're 65, you could have already lost over 30% of your collagen. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive treatments or painful injections to fix it. You can rebuild your collagen naturally with the right vegetables, straight from your kitchen. In this video, we'll dive into the 8 best collagen-boosting vegetables that can restore your strength, protect your nerves, and help you feel like yourself again. Stay tuned for number 3, which has been shown to cut nerve pain by 40% in just weeks. That's real science, backed by studies you can check out below. Before we jump in, tell us, where are you watching from? And do you struggle more with your hands or your legs? Drop your answer in the comments. We're replying to every single one. Now, let's kick things off with vegetable number 8. Number 8, red bell peppers. You might not expect bell peppers to do much for your joints, but they're packed with vitamin C, the key nutrient your body needs to create collagen. After 60, your body's collagen production slows down, but red bell peppers can help reignite that process. Just half a cup delivers more than 150% of your daily vitamin C, critical for strengthening your joints and protecting your nerves. In fact, a 2020 study found that seniors who consumed more vitamin C had better hand strength, faster walking speeds, and lower inflammation. Red bell peppers also contain capsaicin, which helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors that wear down collagen in the joints. So, whether you toss them into a salad or stir fry, make sure to eat them raw or lightly sautéed to preserve that vitamin C. This veggie isn't just for flavor, it's your secret weapon to slowing collagen loss. Number 7, spinach. You've probably heard about spinach's many benefits, but did you know it's a collagen powerhouse? It's loaded with vitamin A, which helps produce collagen, and magnesium, a mineral many seniors are deficient in, vital for muscle function and nerve health. Spinach is also full of lutein and chlorophyll, which help detoxify your tissues and reduce the chronic inflammation that can destroy collagen. A 2018 study showed that seniors with higher magnesium intake experience stronger connective tissue and fewer issues like carpal tunnel syndrome. For a nutrient boost, add spinach to your daily routine. It's not just a leafy green. It's a vascular and collagen protector your body needs. If you're enjoying the video and want more tips like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Join our growing community and turn on notifications so you're the first to know when we drop new videos every week. We've got more expert advice coming your way, so stay tuned and let's keep growing together. Number 6, okra. Okra may seem unassuming, but this vegetable is packed with benefits for joint health, nerve protection, and collagen regeneration. It contains mucilage, a gel-like fiber that coats and cushions your joints, mimicking synovial fluid, which protects cartilage from breakdown. In a 2021 study, okra extract was shown to reduce joint inflammation and help regenerate damaged cartilage. It's also rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese, which are essential for collagen production. Don't let its slimy texture fool you. Okra is a powerful plant-based repair system for your joints and nerves. Number 5, broccoli. Broccoli is more than just a side dish. It's a collagen-building powerhouse. It's packed with sulforaphane, a compound that protects collagen-producing cells and reduces inflammation in the joints. A 2020 study found that sulforaphane helps accelerate healing and reduce cartilage damage, keeping your joints strong and flexible. It also provides vitamin C, vitamin K, and calcium, essential nutrients for maintaining collagen integrity and protecting your nerves from oxidative damage. Broccoli doesn't just nourish your body, it also works to restore and protect your joints and nerves. Make it a daily habit. Number 4, beets. If your legs feel cold or your hands tingle, the problem might not be muscles. It's likely poor circulation and collagen breakdown. Beets help both by boosting blood flow, which delivers essential nutrients to your tissues, boosting collagen production. A 2019 study showed that older adults who drank beet juice saw a 21% improvement in blood flow, better endurance, and stronger leg muscles. Beets also contain beta-catenin, a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen from oxidative damage, crucial for joint and nerve health. Add beets to your diet, and they'll not only boost circulation, they'll also rebuild your collagen from the inside out. Number 3. Seaweed. Seaweed may seem unusual, but it's a collagen-generating powerhouse. It contains iodine, fucoidan, and other minerals that stimulate collagen production and reduce inflammation in joints and nerves. Studies show that seaweed can significantly increase collagen production and help repair damaged tissue. It also provides omega-3 fatty acids and iodine, which support thyroid function, a key player in tissue repair. Seaweed isn't just a trendy health food, it's a powerful tissue rejuvenator. A little seaweed a few times a week can start reversing the breakdown in your joints and nerves. Number 2, asparagus. Asparagus isn't just for fancy dinners, it's a collagen-repairing vegetable your body needs. Packed with glutathione, vitamin K, and folate, asparagus directly supports collagen regeneration and protects collagen integrity. A 2020 study found that seniors with higher glutathione levels had better collagen structure and stronger joints. Asparagus also supports calcium regulation, preventing it from building up in the wrong places and causing stiffness. Add asparagus to your meals to fight collagen breakdown and protect your joints and muscles. Number 1. Parsley. Parsley might seem like just a garnish, but it's actually one of the most powerful collagen-boosting vegetables for seniors. Packed with vitamin C and vitamin K, parsley directly supports collagen regeneration and protects it from breaking down. Just one handful of fresh parsley delivers more vitamin C than an orange, essential for collagen synthesis. It also contains apigenin, a flavonoid that reduces inflammation and protects collagen-producing cells. Use parsley daily in your salads, smoothies, or soups for maximum collagen support. It's not just garnish, it's medicine in disguise. Conclusion: collagen loss after 60 is inevitable, but that doesn't mean you have to suffer with the symptoms. Whether it's tingling hands, weak legs, or stiff joints, there are natural, effective ways to rebuild collagen and restore your body's strength. The 8 vegetables we've covered today are all backed by real science and have the power to help you feel younger, more mobile, and pain-free. From the vitamin C-rich red bell peppers to the collagen-boosting parsley, these vegetables provide everything your body needs to support collagen production and then protect your joints, muscles, and nerves. Start incorporating them into your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at the improvements you feel in just a few weeks. Remember, you don't need expensive powders or painful injections. Just eat the right vegetables in the right way, and you'll help your body rebuild from the inside out. Don't wait until it's too late. Start today, one veggie at a time. Now, we want to hear from you. What symptom are you trying to fix? Tingling hands, weak legs, or something else? Drop your answer in the comments below, and we'll be reading and replying to every single one. If this video helped you, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell for more tips on staying strong, steady, and thriving after 60. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with these vegetables, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and here's to rebuilding your strength, one veggie at a time.